be all right.
This Glock will eat anything. Just jinx myself, didn't I?
Yep.
Ran well.
200 yards with a 1022. The red dot. Nice. 200 yards, 1022. Yeah. Boom. Nice. Woo!
Good shit, you got that. I can't tell where I'm hitting. There you go.
You hit the balloon.
There you got it. Good shot. Nailed it. Two more minutes. Yeah! Alright. You're hot.
I have an itch.
Where? You got it?
That's going on the video.
Right.
I got an each.
Hold it tight.
And the only prescription is more
Cowbell.
cowbell.
Alright, stretch it out.